Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Today we are going to dive into some amazing job opportunities for freshers and early career professionals in the field of DevOps. But before we get started, I noticed many of you are watching without subscribing. Please subscribe to my channel to boost my motivation and help me continue creating more valuable content for you. So let's get started with the first role. The role is DevOps Intern from Bizongo company. The location is Bengaluru, Karnataka, and they are looking for a candidate who has 0 to 1 year of experience. That means even if you are a fresher, you can apply. Bizongo is looking for a DevOps intern with solid understanding of kernel, networking, and OS fundamentals. If you have scripting experience with Python, Go, or Shell, and proficient in managing and deploying containerized environments using Docker, Containerd, and Kubernetes, this could be a great fit for you. They prefer candidates with knowledge of public and private clouds such as AWS, CGP, Azure. And if you have proficiency with Helm, Terraform, or relevant infrastructure code tool, that will be a plus. If you are a lifelong learner with a problem-solving attitude, don't miss out this opportunity. And next we have a DevOps Engineer full-time role from Buyogo company. The location is Indore and they are looking for a candidate with bachelor degree in computer science or related field, where if you have a knowledge of programming language like Python, Java, or Bash, and experience with Git, AWS, Terraform, and Docker, this role is for you, where you will be managing, deploying containerized environments using Docker, Containerd, and Kubernetes, and also working with cloud-based infrastructure and networking on AWS. If you have proficiency with Helm, Terraform, and other infrastructure as a tool, this is always a plus. And finally, we have Junior DevOps and SRE role from Neuron company. The location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and experience is fresher. Neuron is looking at Junior DevOps Engineer with a master degree in computer science. This role requires working knowledge of Linux and cloud computing with AWS services, and strong proficiency in Shell and Python alongside with the solid understanding of object-oriented programming principles is a must. And to be familiar with configuration management and infrastructure as a code. And if you have a strong problem-solving skills and networking skills, this role is for you. Thank you for watching. If you find these job opportunities exciting, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who might be interested. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more updates on the latest job openings in the tech industry. Good luck with your job search and see you in the next video. Thank you.